What happens when two camera legends take radically different paths to redefine creativity? On one side, Panasonic returns with the Lumix LX100 III, a compact beast crafted for speed, portability, and hybrid shooting. A camera built for those who want pro-level results without carrying a full rig. On the other side, Zeiss makes a bold statement with the ZX2, a full-frame, fixed-lens powerhouse that blends luxury, performance, and unmatched image quality into a device that looks as good as it shoots. In this video, we're diving deep into a comparison that matters, not just on paper, but in real-world creative use. We'll explore sensor size, lens capabilities, autofocus accuracy, video quality, low-light performance, image color science, handling comfort, and real-life use cases. Whether you're a street photographer, filmmaker, traveler, or a content creator looking for your next all-in-one weapon, you'll get a clear answer by the end. So before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's stuck between these two compact titans. The Panasonic Lumix LX100 III continues the tradition of elegant minimalism. It's compact, lightweight, and wrapped in a magnesium alloy body that feels solid yet portable. It features physical dials for aperture, shutter speed, and exposure compensation, giving it that classic rangefinder-like control that street photographers adore. With a built-in electronic viewfinder and a 3-inch touchscreen that now flips, it's better suited for hybrid creators than ever before. In contrast, the Zeiss ZX2 exudes luxury and precision. Built with a full aluminum unibody, this camera is strikingly modern. It doesn't overload the user with manual controls. Instead, it relies on a clean interface and a massive rear touchscreen. It's heavier and more premium, clearly targeting creators who prefer minimalist design but don't want to sacrifice sensor power. The LX100 III houses a 20.1 MP micro 4/3 sensor, borrowed and slightly refined from the GX9 and GH5 line. The sensor size gives it a balance of compactness and quality, but it's cropped slightly due to the multi-aspect ratio design, offering effective resolution closer to 17 MP in most shooting modes. Despite that, the color science has been improved over the LX100 II, delivering richer tones and better shadow details. On the other hand, the Zeiss ZX2 features a 37.4 MP full-frame CMOS sensor, massive compared to the LX100 III. This sensor captures more dynamic range, deeper bit depth, and much better performance in low light. Skin tones, highlight roll-off, and natural depth are where the Zeiss sensor truly shines. In terms of image quality, the ZX2 is clearly the more professional tool, but it comes at a higher price, size, and weight. Panasonic's LX100 III carries over the legendary 24 to 75 mm f/1.7, 2.8 like a DC Vario Summilux lens. This lens is bright, sharp, and incredibly versatile. From wide cityscapes to shallow depth portraits, it covers almost everything a street or travel shooter needs. Its fast aperture ensures creamy bokeh and low-light flexibility. The Zeiss ZX2 uses a fixed 35 mm f/2 Zeiss Distagon lens, a prime lens with astonishing clarity and micro-contrast. It's not zoomable, but it's designed for purity, one focal length to do it all. This approach forces creative discipline and delivers optical performance with very low distortion. For photographers who want absolute clarity and depth separation in one focal length, it's an artistic dream. The LX100 III features DFD, depth from defocus, contrast detect autofocus, which is fast and accurate for stills, but not as snappy as phase detect systems, especially in video. It supports face/eye detection and does reasonably well in moderate lighting conditions. In contrast, the Zeiss ZX2 employs a hybrid autofocus system with phase detect and contrast detect points. It's faster, smoother, and more intelligent when tracking subjects. Whether it's eye tracking in portraits or object tracking in motion, the ZX2 offers more reliable results, especially for video shooters. The LX100 III is designed for hybrid shooters. It offers 4K 30 frames per second video and full HD 120 frames per second slow motion, with clean HDMI output, 10-bit internal recording, and improved color profiles. It's ideal for YouTubers, vloggers, or filmmakers who want a compact setup without compromising too much on video quality. Zeiss ZX II, on the other hand, records 4K 60 frames per second and supports 10-bit log profiles, offering better dynamic range and post-production flexibility. Its full-frame sensor provides a true cinematic depth. However, it lacks built-in stabilization, making handheld shooting slightly more difficult unless paired with gimbals. Thanks to its full-frame sensor, the Zeiss ZX II dominates in low light. Even at ISO 6400 or 12800, the images retain detail and color with minimal noise. This makes it an excellent choice for night photography, concerts, or indoor events. The LX100 III performs decently at lower ISO ranges, but noise becomes noticeable above ISO 3200. That said, its bright f/1.7 lens compensates well in dim environments, making it a solid choice for casual low-light shooting. Panasonic's color science in the LX100 III leans toward punchy contrast and vivid warmth, great for street, travel, and everyday shooting. Its monochrome D profile is a fan favorite for black and white photography, delivering high drama and deep shadows. Zeiss brings a different philosophy. The ZX2 offers natural color rendering with incredibly accurate skin tones, soft transitions, and film-like character. It's less processed out of the box, but gives you more headroom for grading. The LX100 III is small, lightweight, and discreet, ideal for street shooters, travelers, or daily carry creators. It fits in a small bag or even a jacket pocket, and its responsive manual controls make it a joy to use on the move. The ZX2 is more like a digital Leica, a design piece that delivers premium performance but demands deliberate use. It's heavier, requires more attention in the field, and isn't as pocketable. But for deliberate photographers or filmmakers, it's a rewarding experience. The LX100 III provides around 300 shots per charge and supports USB-C charging, perfect for travel. It uses standard SD cards and has dual recording options for stills and video. The Zeiss ZX2 delivers about 400 shots per charge, slightly better due to power efficiency from its fixed lens design. It includes internal storage, 512 gigabytes SSD, and supports external SSDs via USB-C, making it ideal for video creators who don't want to swap cards mid-shoot. Panasonic LX100 III is expected to launch at around $999, making it an attractive deal for enthusiasts and hybrid creators. It offers professional-level image quality in a small body with flexible features at an affordable price. The Zeiss ZX2, on the other hand, sits in the $3,500 to $4,000 range, targeting premium users. It's not for everyone, but for those who value image purity, minimalist design, and full-frame performance, it's a unique offering. If you want versatility, compactness, hybrid power, and affordability, the Panasonic LX100 III is your perfect match. It's ideal for YouTubers, travel photographers, and creators who want pro results in a pocket-sized camera. But if your focus is on cinematic image quality, color depth, and you're comfortable investing more, the Zeiss ZX2 delivers an artistic tool that's hard to match. It's not about specs, it's about experience, vision, and storytelling. Both these cameras represent two different philosophies, and now the choice is yours. Tell us in the comments, which one would you pick and why? If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive camera battles just like this. Your support helps us bring you more comparisons, more breakdowns, and more clarity in the confusing world of digital cameras. Until next time, create with intent.